Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file in Windows step by step, super simple, and no extra software needed. Let's jump right in. First, go to the location of the files or folder you want to compress. Click and drag to select multiple files or just right-click on a single file or folder. Once selected, right-click on your selection. In the menu that appears, hover over Send To, and then click on Compressed Zipped Folder. After clicking, Windows will create a zip file in the same location. It will prompt you to enter a name for your new zip file, type the name you want, and hit Enter. And that's it. You've successfully created a zip file on your Windows PC. You can now share it easily via email, upload it, or just store it more compactly. And here is bonus tip. To add more files later, you can just drag and drop them into the zip file. No need to create a new one. And that's how you create a zip file in Windows super quick and easy. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you've got any questions. See you in the next one.